Hello, and welcome to Delta Media Group's Tech Tuesday. This is our festive Tech Tuesday this year. It's the last one we'll have before Christmas. So if I don't see you, if you don't call in and talk to me so that we can chat a little bit, enjoy your Christmas. Have a happy holiday. So today, what we have is actually a new feature. We've had this requested for a while from a handful of different places and different people, but what you can do now is you can actually merge contacts in the DeltaNet. So that is what we are going to go over. So into the DeltaNet. Now, as you can see here, we are on the welcome page you hit when you first log in. If I go down to Customers and Customer Center, we'll see that there is a new option here that is called Merge Customers. So if I click that button, I can now choose the customers that I want to merge. So you can just merge two at a time, which is going to be pretty standard. And I want to do some festive contacts today. So let's look for the clauses. We have a Mr. and Mrs. Claus, right? Right? You guys are no fun. Okay. So what you do is you type in the name, first name or last name of your contact, and it will find all of the matching contacts. Keep in mind that the matching contacts that it finds, they have to be contacts that have had a request before and don't have any unprocessed requests, is kind of how this system works. So if you just enter a contact brand new, say you enter two contacts and then right after you enter them manually you want to merge them, they won't have any requests attached to them, so there's not really anything to merge there. The idea is that you're only really merging contacts with history. It doesn't really make sense to merge contacts that don't have any history, because if that's the case, why not just take one of them and make that the contact and just add the new information to their profile, as opposed to actually merging two contacts together. So if it doesn't come up, they probably don't have any past history, or they probably have never made any requests on the website that you've since processed. So type in the last name. We see we have two matches there. I'll do the same thing over here. And what I am going to do is I'm going to merge Mr. Claus. So I'll select him here and hit choose. You can see that's selected our first contact to merge. And we'll merge Mr. Claus with Mrs. Claus. Choose. And there we go. So we can just confirm that these names are what we want them to be, or we can click change to go back and change them. And then click here to merge. You can see it now brings up the information for both contacts. So I can choose which one of these I want to make the primary account. So in this case, we'll go with Mr. Claus. So I'll say use as primary. It now makes that the primary contact information, but anything I want to use from the secondary contact information, I can just click the button and use it. So we'll go down here and say I want to use this zip code, I want to use this phone number, and it basically takes everything from the second contact and adds it onto the first. So once I have everything merged the way I wanted, or I've chosen the fields that I want to retain on what basically amounts to the new contact, I'll just go down here and say merge contacts using this information, and contacts have been merged. And that is all there is to it. So now you have the ability to, if you were to create additional contacts through the system, you have the ability to go through and merge them. Or if you have a customer that maybe they make requests with two different email accounts and they have two different sets of saved searches and everything set up, and they want to, you want to turn that into one account, you can use this tool for that as well. So, as a holiday gift to everyone, we've had a nice short and easy Tech Tuesday today. So as always, thanks a lot for joining me this week. Next week, we will be running a kind of a repeated Tech Tuesday, so I won't see you next week. So I actually won't see you again until the new year. So happy holiday, everyone. And like I said, if you have any questions, concerns in the meantime, anything like that, feel free to send an email into support or give us a call, and we'll be happy to answer any of your questions. Thanks a lot.